What are the ACM150 installation requirements? First, AC line power. Main power switch controls the line power. The ACM150 cannot operate unless it is switched on. ACM150 requires 115 voltage alternating current, 13 ampere, or 230 voltage alternating current, 6 ampere for line power. When connecting line power to main power switch, ground cable must be connected to an equipment grounding conductor or protection earth. Normal idle power consumption is 8 ampere. Average power consumption is 14 ampere, and peak power consumption is 20 ampere. Second, utility gases and exhaust piping. ACM150 requires constant supply of nitrogen as dry purge gas for optics, bench, and as a zero gas for background cycle. Connect the 1/4 inch tube to the nitrogen inlet fitting. The pressure should be set to 5 psig, and pressure regulator should be located near ACM150. It consumes less than 8 liters per minute, and requires 99.9% or higher quality. In addition, ACM150 requires clean, dry, compressed air to operate the Venturi pump and conduct line leak test. Connect the 3/8-inch tube to the inlet fitting of CDA. The pressure should be set to 65 to 70 psig, and pressure regulator should be located near ACM150. The flow rate required to operate the Venturi pump is 12 SCFM. After one sample point gas test, the ACM150 exhausts to sample air through the exhaust pipe. Connect the 1 1/2-inch male pipe thread to the exhaust fitting, and the exhaust pipe should be connected to the exhaust duct without flow restriction. Third, sample gas piping. The sample gas tubes are connected to the inlet fitting at the top of the ACM150 to monitor the sample point. Inlet fittings are numbered from 1 to 40. Connect the 3 out of 8 inches tube to inlet fitting of sample gases. ACM150 should be located near the areas it samples to minimize tube length and response time. Recommended material is PFE Teflon. Regarding the length of the tube, the maximum tube distance is 750 feet. When using composite sampling mode, the maximum distance is 500 feet.